sport mode. See if I can get you guys to hear the drone on the highway. That sweet spot, around 2,000 RPM. I can tell you that I've put a decibel meter in here, and you can get anywhere between 95 to 105 decibels if you're getting on the gas or if it drones pretty bad. Hear that drone? It's loud, right? Really bad on cruise control if you're just going on a long trip or whatever. Anytime your engine gets a little bit of a load, you're going up a hill a little bit, accelerating just a little bit, and you're in that sweet spot. It can take a little while to get used to that drone. Had it for about 5 months now, and listen how quiet it is now. Foot's off the gas, just coasting. So it's like a mixed bag. But every time I think about putting my stock muffler back on, I get a bunch of compliments on how awesome the car sounds. So I guess I'll have a midlife crisis just a little bit longer. Maybe try it for another 6 months or so and see how I feel by the end of the year. Thanks for watching.